Welcome to my channel IT World Hindi. In today's video, we will be learning about some essential concepts in Microsoft Azure that will help you better understand cloud infrastructure. Whether you are just starting out or looking to expand your knowledge, this video will cover topics like Azure Subscriptions, management groups, resource groups, tags, and regions. I will explain each of these in simple, easy to understand terms so that you can apply them to your cloud journey. So, let's get started. Describe Azure Subscription. An Azure account can have one or more subscriptions. A subscription is like an agreement with Microsoft to use Azure services. Each subscription contains one or more resource groups, which help organize your resources. Your payment method is linked to the subscription. Billing happens at the subscription level. You can set a budget for each subscription to control costs. There are different types of support plans available for your subscription. What is management group in Azure? You can organize multiple subscriptions into containers called management groups. This helps in managing multiple subscriptions under one umbrella. You can apply IAM identity and access management and Azure policies to a management group. All the subscriptions inside the management group will automatically follow the rules and policies applied to that group. What is resource group in Azure? A resource group (RG) is a container that holds resources such as virtual machines, VMs, databases, storage accounts, and more. It helps in organizing and managing resources that are related or need to be managed together. Resource groups make it easy to deploy, manage, and delete resources as a single unit. You can add or remove resources from a resource group at any time without affecting the other resources. When you delete a resource group, all resources inside it are also deleted. Resource groups also help in monitoring and tracking costs, as you can see how much you're spending on resources grouped together. They allow you to apply specific policies and permissions at the resource group level, helping you manage access control and security more effectively. What are regions in Azure? An Azure region is a physical location around the world where Microsoft has data centers. Currently, there are 60+ regions globally, and they continue to grow as Azure expands. Each Azure region consists of one or more data centers that are connected with low-latency networks to ensure high performance. When deploying resources, you select the region that is closest to your customers or business to reduce latency and improve performance. Different regions may offer different services, so the availability of certain Azure services can vary based on the region you select. Regions also allow for compliance with local laws and regulations, such as data residency requirements. You can use multiple regions to enable disaster recovery and ensure high availability by replicating resources across different regions. What are tags in Azure? Tags are labels that you can apply to your Azure resources, resource groups, and subscriptions. Each tag is made up of a name and a value pair. For example, environment, production, or department, IT. The tag names are case-insensitive, meaning environment and environment are treated the same. But tag values are case-sensitive, so production and production are different. Tags help you categorize and organize resources, making it easier to manage large environments. They are especially useful for cost management, as you can group and track resource usage and costs by tags, helping you analyze and control expenses. You can use tags to set up policies, automate tasks, or apply governance rules across your Azure environment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of Azure and how different components like subscriptions, resource groups, and management groups work together. If you found this content helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos on Azure and other cloud technologies. Also, feel free to drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.